Vlog new, welcome to the. That was a good one, right?
Ew, no.
Oh, shut up. Alright, so last night we found two of these guys. Yeah, and they were literally crawling on the bed. Obviously, we threw them out. So when we saw these bugs, we weren't sure of what they were. Googled immediately, and all of the pictures suggested that they were bed bugs. So then we took off the sheet, took off the mattress cover, the mattress protector, took off the mattress, of course, and even the bed board or whatever this board is, sprayed everything out. And then aside from the bed, we also looked behind the couch, we have like a chest of drawers and all other possible areas where we thought there could be an infestation, but it turns out that there was no infestation. And then we sent an email to the management, copied the landlord. We still, figured it made sense to kind of let the management and the landlord know because there might be a hidden infestation. Or if it's like coming from another unit, we found out that they do travel between dwellings. If there's an infestation in another house, they're obviously responsible for looking into it. But the management responded right away. And tomorrow, the management has arranged for a pest control service. So yeah, tonight's going to be a busy night. We have to prep everything, prep the apartment before the pest control guys come in. So yeah, interesting development, and I'm guessing it makes for good content. I don't know. We'll find out. I'll keep you with us because you have to be out of the apartment for like 4 hours or something tomorrow. So basically we need to remove everything from all the closets, put all of that shit in, garbage bags and leave it in the middle of the room, and I'll show you all of that. But it's gonna be a long night. It's definitely gonna be a long night.
No, don't say that.
At least 4 hours.
No.
At least 4
No.
ish hours. I want to say the sleep last night was impacted because we kept checking for more bugs, but I'm glad we're getting it all done because you don't want to live with that stress of what if there's an infestation somewhere, and yeah. Anyway, for now we're gonna start dinner and we'll pick up all the prep after that. Ghia or bottle gourd, and that's it. Sometimes you just need uncomplicated dinners. See you in a bit. It's 11:30 p.m. and we are done with packing the bedroom and almost all of the clothes. Hold on. This right here is an example of my limiting beliefs. I kept wearing this for months and months, never threw it. Yeah, I mean, if this isn't poor mentality, I don't know what is. I have 3 belts that are in mint condition, but I still kept wearing it. Food for thought. And that's how you spring clean. I think the timing worked out really well. All that is garbage. Okay, this is garbage. This stuff stays here tomorrow, and it's 1:40 a.m. Not bad. I think we have most of it done. All right, it is 3:10 a.m. and we are done with, I want to say, 75% of the packing. What?
More?
No, not more.
What? It's just the pantry.
All right, it's been a long one. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Good morning. 8:45 and they are gonna be here by around noon, so it's like between noon to 4. But yeah, we're gonna get up and get started. I believe we got at least 4.5 hours of thankfully we got like 4.5 hours of sleep, so that's good. When you're at it, it doesn't feel like it's much because of the adrenaline. But once you're done, you're like, okay, that was a good amount of work. All the clothes that are going for donation. So we have 1.5 hours until the pest control folks show up. Done, clothes donated. God knows we wanted a breakfast today. I have no words. Coffee. So, absolutely zero infestation found so far. I mean, literally no infestation. That's one of the closets, and then the den, clean. Jesus. Bed's also clean. Everything's clean. Where are the bugs?
The spring foam is clean. The
the
baseboard is perfectly clean.
Okay, you know what, Shreya? I have a strong feeling they weren't here. They came
And?
from another unit. Look at this.
Spotless.
Clean as a whistle.
We checked the seams and everything. All clean.
And behind the couch is also clean. You know what? I don't know. I do hope they tell us if there was nothing.
Yeah, I don't know. I think they're just gonna spray shit and walk away.
Yeah, you think? But
I want to know because if it's coming from the baseboards because it's connected to another unit, then it'll keep happening, right?
yeah. They might have to spray other units or whatever. We don't know that.
Hey, your hair looks good.
Thank you. You gave me a haircut. Everyone knows. The world knows that you gave me a haircut. More props? Alright.
Oopsie, this just broke. Okay, good.
That's fine. Okay, so the exterminator is inside. Just waiting for him to be done. So we can lock it. And we're done. And he says it's not bad at all. On a day like this, there's only one food that really fits. We're gonna eat. Let's go. So basically, since we had about 4 hours to kill, we are going to IKEA. Right now, we made a stop to get some coffee because we need to stay up.
Hi, good. How are you? Shakiness. Anything else for him?
Why are you staring at me?
I want to see if you like the way I made it. I got it made,
Oh, it's really good.
isn't it?
IKEA because we need a whole bunch of things. Are you tired?
No.
I'm tired. Okay, so you're going right. Left on Brandt Place. We reached. All done. And they're soft serve. Didn't get a crazy amount of stuff. Alright, back home after a long day. Long, very long. Totally feels like we've moved into a new place. You know what I mean? So there is smell right now. You can tell that it's pest control. But it is faint. It's not terrible. Alright, good morning. So just while I was waking up, right, I said something to Shreya which she's cracking up on. So I said I am your fillet of fish. I have no idea why. The problem with that is that I don't even like fish.
You don't eat fish.
I don't eat fish. I don't like fish. Why did I say I am your fillet of fish? That doesn't make any sense. It's the next day and we're still doing laundry. Laundry load number 102 is running right now. Okay, you know what? I am now officially gonna close this vlog. I don't know if you enjoyed whatever this was, bedbug vlog. If you enjoyed this, please do let me know in the comments. Or if you've been through a similar situation, I don't know, just comment. Subscribe if you can. You know, it's tax free now. Trudeau just announced that there are no taxes on subscribing.
Uncle.
Uncle? Did you call me uncle? Look at what I deal with. No, seriously, subscribe so that I can continue publishing, and then I will see you on the next one. Ciao, ciao, baat. Alright, see you in the next one. Bye.